Each year, in addition to the 7 regional winners of the Environmental Stewardship Award, one of the operations is also named the national winner. The 2025 winner is the Wineglass Ranch of Nebraska, and I'm joined now by Logan Pribbeno. Logan, what an honor for you and your family. There's an incredible field of regional winners, and you were named national winner. What does that mean to you all?
You know, mainly to honor my parents' legacy. So they're now in their 70s and semi-retired. And they really got us started on our conservation journey back in the 70s and 80s. Really developed a lot of the things that we still use today. And so when I learned that, you know, we were going to be the national winners, I was most proud for my parents to really honor their legacy.
Yeah, and what an honor it is. I'm curious, you have implemented and embraced a lot of new tools and technology. Tell us what role that's had in winning this award.
Yeah, you know, we are fairly early adopters. You know, we went to rotational grazing in the late 80s, early 90s. We use tools like pasture maps and different things to control everything. Yeah, we're fairly early adopters. I will say that those technologies really help, but really nothing beats boots on the ground. You know, the old saying is, you know, the best fertilizer is a farmer's footsteps. I think that's true of farmland and rangeland. So at Wineglass Ranch, we really like to blend technology with just real world boots on the ground. You know, take it all in and take it from there.
Yeah, that's outstanding. Now, you're the 5th generation of this operation. You've got a couple of little girls I saw the other night, going to be the 6th generation potentially. Yeah. What does the future hold for Wineglass Ranch?
Well, 10 and 8, you know, I hope one or both of them are interested in coming back. Okay. 2 years ago, we bought a side-by-side with heat and AC. Okay. And, you know, that has really helped with their involvement and wanting to come with that out onto the ranch. So that was a very good investment. In retrospect, yeah.
Well, again, I want to say congratulations to you and your family. Well-deserved honor and very inspiring for the rest of us.
Thanks, Logan. Thanks, Kevin.